Cryptocurrency fans out there, welcome back to the Everything Altcoin channel. Today we're going to be talking about two new upcoming Polkadot projects that are looking to be pretty good. One is very innovative in a space that I don't think we've seen this type of project yet, but they're building out on the Polkadot ecosystem. But before we get into talking about those two, I'd like to ask you guys to subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. We're on the road to 5K subscribers. I think we're just like 50 subscribers away from 3K. So if you guys want to help out with that, hit that red button, turn it from red to gray. Don't forget to turn it from red to gray. Don't forget to like the video, comment anything in the comment section down below, and most importantly, hit that bell button to get notified every time I'm uploading a new video. And during these times, you know, we need a crypto support group, guys, because the market went from green, bullish, everybody's making a lot of money, happy, to now we seeing red. We all feel a little bit of sorrow. We need a crypto support group. So if you guys want that crypto support group, check out the description for my Discord down below, and let's all talk about this. We need diamond hands. We need to support each other during these red times, hodl throughout the bear little bear market, a little downturn, and then, you know, be happy, be joyful in the green. So let's get right into talking about these two projects, guys. So the first project I bring you is Pulse Network, guys. Introducing Pulse Network, complete medical solution on the Polkadot ecosystem, Polkadot chain, right? So this is pretty interesting, guys. So I'm gonna give you guys a brief overview of Pulse Network before we actually go into their website. Then we're gonna check out their next Polkadot coin after that. So Pulse Network main goal is ensuring unrivaled availability of most advanced medical care to everyone in the world. At Pulse, we understand that breakthroughs are happening every day in the field of medical care, but they do not get to everyone equally. Knowledge and expertise are the two major hurdles that we hope to conquer for the medical field, for the medical care to get the much needed transformation it deserves worldwide. So why they're choosing the blockchain? Basically, decentralizing the medical care sector ensures patients get information that is not distorted. Doctors seeking consultation will get firsthand information that enhances their knowledge base. The blockchain technology Pulse Network will give them access to advanced features compared to other platforms such as security, authenticity, availability, and scalability. With authenticity, one can be assured that information they get from platforms is unfiltered, credible, and from expert medical practitioners. All right, scrolling down now, as you guys can see why. Pulse uses the Polkadot ecosystem to provide the ability to run multiple chains in parallel, with each transaction being processed in parallel, which allows for much efficient scalability. Polkadot is designed to allow applications and smart contracts to seamlessly transact with data and assets on other chains in a single blockchain. With the Polkadot ecosystem, security is centralized within the network, meaning that individual chains can leverage collective security without having to start from scratch in order to gain traction and trust. There will be greater efficiency relative to other consensus mechanisms. So that's Polkadot and the Polkadot Edge interchange here. So essentially, that's pretty much the little bit of overview on this Medium article here. Let's go to the website and we're gonna get more information there. As you guys can see, the leading provider of AI enhanced medical care built on Polkadot. So why Pulse? One of the biggest challenges in the medical and healthcare field is that therapies, medicines, and medical technologies are rapidly changing, and it's unfortunate that only a small fraction of the world's population are able to keep up with the latest development in the field, even among those living in developed countries. To circumvent this, Pulse will accumulate the latest diagnostic and pharmaceutical information to integrate it with expert knowledge around the world, enhanced with AI to deliver the most advanced medical care equally to everyone. So that's pretty much what they want to do. Immutable. Basically, in the past, any medical data collected has been vulnerable to altercation with several negative consequences. For instance, data can be altered at hospitals to conduct insurance fraud, and corrupt data, when aggregated, can lead to dangerous conclusions in the drug trials and other research projects. Data stored in the blockchain is time-stamped, cryptographically, and sealed and immutable. and any respective changes are immediately apparent. Use of blockchain technology will therefore make data falsification a thing in the past, right? Then you got security here, and then you got smart contracts and efficiency, and transparency and authenticity. And we already talked about why Polkadot here. Well, Pulse Pocket, this is basically going to be their app. So our revolutionary healthcare app Pulse Pocket will be developed to support the user's health in many aspects. Pulse Pocket will seamlessly link individuals' health information and clinical records and offer the health guidance that best matches their health conditions, while serving for the accumulation and integration of medical expertise and knowledge and medical records. So that is basically their Pulse app, and scrolling health support, informative videos, digital medicine notebook, alert for severe disease prevention, provision of health checkup results and associated with health information. Then you got health checkup support, application for mail, medical check. And then you got teleshopping, access to medical information infrastructure and search functions, multilingual Pulse Pocket. So this basically Pulse Pocket will be multilingual so that users can use it in their home country, right? Then wallet functions and amulet. So that app is going to be doing a lot of things, guys. It's going to be it is really going to be pretty helpful. Then you got the Pulse Records EMR, our revolutionary healthcare app Pulse Pocket will be developed to support you. We already kind of actually went through that already. And then you got AI aided diagnostic information, multilingual Pulse Pocket, embedded wallet functionality, usability improvement, telemedicine to be made possible, real-time research, and the latest pharmaceutical informations here. And scrolling down, as you guys can see, this is the team here. They're pretty much doing a bunch of stuff. They have been a part of a lot of things here. Then you got that's the CEO, the CFO. Then scrolling down a little bit more, we're going to go into their roadmap, which they actually been building out since 2012, which is very interesting. Very, very interesting. You don't see too many new projects having a roadmap where they started. They've been building for a long time now. So let's scroll all the way down to 2020. Quarter 1 of 2021, they're going to be integrating with Polkadot. Then quarter 2 of 2021, they're going to be launching a joint venture with the National Medical Association. Then quarter 3, they're going to be launching Pulse Governance. So that's pretty much it. And these are their partners here. As you guys can see, they're partners. So they have been working for a long time. So this is going to be very interesting to see when they come out onto the market, how they will be coming out onto the market, especially if it's going to be through an IDO from Polkastarter, paid, pools. It's going to be interesting to see how they come onto the market. But now let's move on to the next Polkadot gem for you guys, Polkadot project. This is called Polkafoundry. Basically, Polkafoundry is a one-stop dApp factory solving the Polkadot UX issues while optimizing dApp performance on Polkadot by maximizing the scalability and interoperability of Polkadot, facilitating transactions with seamless UX for DeFi dApps on Polkadot, integrating with existing projects, building utility projects on Polkadot. Following our ways, Polkafoundry improves the dApp functionality and security. Basically, transactions and signing key. Each signing key has an expiry date and limited set of permissions. If a breach does occur, the consequences will be less serious. Flexible payer through decentralized transactions. dApps can employ more flexible monetization strategies, including freemium, pay to unlock, and in-dApp purchases model. Polka ID user keys are encrypted off-chain, split into parts, and distributed into multi-independent and secure key management services, preventing illegal access from any single central authority. With Polkafoundry improved UX and security measures, DeFi dApps can optimize and secure the user's experience while fully interoperating with blockchains and dApps on Polkadot. To reflect our key role as an integrator of seamless secure dApps into the Polkadot ecosystem, Ice-T has rebranded as Polkafoundry. So they used to be Ice-T, which I would not like that name. I hate I hate beverage puns. I hate food puns. I really do. But they had rebranded to Polkafoundry. And the same thing actually with Pulse Network. They were named something else, and then they got rebranded to Pulse Network, right? And then now you're gonna move on to their website, Polkafoundry here, the one-stop production hub for DeFi applications on Polkadot. So here we go. Here you got the one-stop DApp factory, providing interoperability with DeFi and Web3 ecosystem. As you guys can see here, is leveraging the thrilling ecosystem, true interoperability, and unprecedented scalability of Polkadot and Substrate. Unique UX enabling features brings dApps to a much broader population. Then you got EVM, that means Ethereum Virtual Machine compatible and straightforward to migrate from Ethereum, built and made for DeFi services to make DeFi apps to manage identities, store files, and access Oracle data. So basically cross-chain, DeFi focused, and frictionless. Basically, here's the use cases here. You got open lending platform, decentralized insurance, cross-chain DEX, prediction markets, asset auction marketplace, and DeFi derivatives. So they're essentially doing it, like they said, a one-stop DeFi hub for all. So essentially taking all the best parts of the DeFi from lending, insurance, decentralized DEX, prediction markets, auction, and derivatives, and putting it all in one place. Right. So how does Foundry fit into the Polkadot ecosystem? This is basically how they will fit in. So here you got the pair chains, you got the DeFi utility, then you got the bridges, right? So then you got the Polkadot relay chain, then it goes down to the Polkafoundry platform, which Polkafoundry blockchain is Substrate, EVM, and UX features. Then you got the DeFi services, Polka ID, DocuGuard, and Polkagate. So we got to look into what these two are. And here you guys go, right? This external providers here. You got Chainlink, OriChain, Kylan, and others. Basically, you got the signing key, flexible player, and then you got the Polka ID. We already kind of talked about what Polka ID was, and built on Polkafoundry BizNet. Build your innovative and interactive team culture. And here we go for the roadmap. We're in Q1 here. So BizNet, the token sale. Then you got the launch of Tendermint based BizNet and launch of T-Work apps. Then start coding. Basically, then Q2 is basically the launch of Substrate version testnet. Integrate with the Polkadot ecosystem, Ethereum Virtual Machine, and Ethereum tools compatible. And then Q3, you're gonna have to switch to Substrate, and completely switch to Substrate from Ethereum up to Substrate. Then you got the launch of the mainnet, swap PKF ERC20 token to the native PKF, which is probably going to be the PKF token on Polkadot. Then you got the migrate the BizNet DApp to mainnet. There's some partners. Then Q4, you got the DAO, working DAO, improved features and integration tools. And as you guys can see, here's the full team, which is pretty good. I like when you can find their team easily and hear or what they're backed by, right? Master Ventures. A lot of people know about Master Ventures. Spark Digital Capital, Magnus Capital. This is something new. Signum Capital. Mantra DAO. Mantra DAO is here. Then you got Vendetta Capital. These are pretty much the names I'm used to seeing on a lot of partnerships. So that's pretty much what Polkafoundry is for you guys. I covered 2 upcoming Polkadot gems, and they looking pretty good for all DeFi aspects. One that is covering the medical field, which is something very interesting and kind of new, especially coming to the Polkadot ecosystem. It will be the only one there. Then you got the Polkafoundry, which is a one-stop DeFi hub for all, and they're trying to do all DeFi aspects into one place. Excuse me. So pretty much that is the video for you guys. I will leave timestamps down below for you guys to actually be able to see which parts you guys like. So if you guys haven't subscribed already yet, please do so. We're on the road to 5K subscribers. So if you guys want to help out with that, hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video, comment anything in the comment section down below, and I'll check you guys later. Peace, YouTube.